Hi guys, I'm background into your silhouette. Just showed you how to do one with a colored background. So if you're wanting to put some sort of actual picture background into your silhouette, this is how you do it. It's very similar to the colored background. First thing you're going to do is pull up your silhouette. Okay. I also have the picture ready to go that I'm going to put in the background, so you might want to do that as well. Alright, so back to my picture. First thing I'm going to do is click the magic wand tool. Click. It's going to select some pixels. And I'm going to hold down the shift key and I'm going to click, and it's going to click and select my background. Again, if you have areas with negative space, you're going to want to click on there like I do on the glasses. All right. Once you have your background selected, go ahead up to inverse, select inverse, and then just your silhouette's going to be selected. Go back to the select menu and go to refine edge. Okay. In the view mode, you're going to have a lot of options. Click on black. Okay. And then what you're going to do is maybe you need to make your brush bigger or smaller. Use the bracket tool, the bracket keys on your keyboard. And you're just going to click in your silhouette into the black, and then you're going to paint the black along the edge of your silhouette. Okay. It's going to get rid of some of that white edging. Okay, looks pretty good. I'm going to click OK. And it's going to bring back your silhouette. Okay. Next thing you're going to do, go ahead and add a layer mask. The layer mask button is down here. It is a gray rectangle with a white circle. Click on that. Okay. That looks good. Next thing we're going to do is import that background. Okay. So here's our background. Here's our silhouette. I like to arrange my workspace and just float in a window, so it's just easy to pull this layer over into my other document. Okay. All right, I'm going to go back to consolidating into tabs. All right, so now my background is covering my entire silhouette. So we need to drag our top layer underneath our bottom layer. And now the woods are behind my silhouette. I'm going to move this picture so it fits. Perfect. Okay, good. Next, I'm going to come up and add a new adjustment layer. So layer, new adjustment layer. Go to hue saturation, click OK. I'm going to turn down my saturation a little bit. I'm going to turn down my brightness a little bit because I'm going to put that vignette on just like I showed you in the other video. All right, once I have that done, I'm going to come over to my marquee tool. Make sure you click the one that's an oval. And I'm going to draw an oval around my silhouette. Boom. All right, go up to Edit and Fill. You want to fill with black. Click OK. And you can see that that area around the oval kind of got lighter there. But we want to make it just like a little bit more natural looking. So we're going to go to Blur, Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Okay. And what this is going to do is just make that look a little bit more natural. Click OK. And we can look at it. I think I'm going to make it just a little bit more noticeable. I'm going to go back to my Gaussian blur. And we can see, okay. All right, now we can see that lightness around and like the little bit of the edging. Actually going to darken this up just a teeny bit. And I'm going to go back to my Gaussian blur so I can get it. There we go. All right, and now you can see how you would put a background from the internet imported into the background of your silhouette.